about your skin. This is the first organ lesson of the integumentary system, which covers your entire body. Just like how a crab's hard shell surrounds its body to protect it from danger, our integumentary system protects us from bacteria, chemicals, and injury. Did you know that your skin is actually your largest organ? Your skin is your biggest barrier, and it protects your internal organs and prevents external damage from things like sunlight and changing temperatures. It's able to sense your surroundings and communicate with your brain about what is going on, especially what you touch. Have you ever had sunburn or watched your skin peel? That happens because your skin has layers. To better understand the layers, we're going to use a clay model to demonstrate them. And at the end, you should have something that looks kind of like this. It may look like a sandwich to you, but this is the bottom layer, the middle layer, the top layer, an example of a hair follicle that runs from the middle layer to the top layer so that you can see the hair. The topmost layer of your skin, the one that you see, is called the epidermis. This layer is constantly shedding dead skin cells and replacing them with healthy new ones. Your pores, which release oil and sweat, are located on this epidermis layer. So as we mold this layer, you can make a few little marks to show that there are pores and hairs visible. The second layer is called the dermis. It is thicker than your epidermis and provides protection for pathogens or bacteria. This layer, there are glands that produce sweat and oil, hair follicles, lymphatic vessels, and nerve endings. Let's use a toothpick as an example of a hair follicle. Make sure it starts in the dermis, goes through the epidermis, and is visible outside. The third layer of your skin beneath the dermis is called the subcutaneous fat, because its main role is to provide insulation for your body. Not only does it keep you warm and help regulate temperature, but it also works as a cushion or shock absorber to reduce any damage when you fall. This is a natural and necessary fat, unlike the visceral fat that may be stored on your body as a result of your metabolism, exercise, diet, or other factors. There are lots of blood vessels within the subcutaneous fat layer because this layer attaches to your skin, the muscles, and other tissue below it. The thickness of this layer varies throughout the body and is largely determined by genetics. Now we have a model of the three main layers of your skin.